Serving amounts are easily changed. Just check the web page for correct ingredient measurements. Here are the ingredients for red cabbage salad. You'll need red cabbage, olive oil, red wine vinegar, sugar, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Okay, first let's shred the cabbage and place it in a large glass bowl. In a separate bowl, add the olive oil and red wine vinegar and then whisk it up. Stir in the sugar, the onion powder, the black pepper, and the salt. Whisk it up until the sugar has dissolved and everything is blended together. Now, quickly pour this dressing over the red cabbage and toss it. Then, cover the glass bowl with a plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours. When you're ready, season it with salt and black pepper to taste. Then, toss and serve this simple and delicious red cabbage salad from simplefoodie.com.